this issue of masculine women and feminine men that sort of complement each other.
Mm-hmm.
Having in mind that this concept may be a little ambiguous, especially these days, it's sort of confusing to me in certain ways. So I was wondering if Kavod could clarify what exactly is a feminine man, of course within the boundaries, within what is permitted, and what is a masculine woman.
So the masculine woman is a woman like those men and these women. They do not hide their position in life. So this woman would dress like 100% like men. Would have a haircut like men, 100%. And I actually had we had in the office I used to work. There was a woman like that. So she would dress like, unless you know she's a woman, so you would not know that she's a woman. You understand? Of course, because I mean, we go like clean shaved. Many men, like all of the men were clean shaved. So it's like you would not say, unless and she would have this deeper voice. I mean, compared to other women. So it was not that obvious. It was, and I don't remember the name, but some like a shorter name, so it could be Remy or something. I don't know, like some like it could be man, it could be woman. You understand? But she would dress like some women also would wear pants, but not like this one. These pants like men pants. You understand, men style, and all of the like baggy clothing. So like, so you would not see, and she they hang out with guys basically everywhere, not with women. Okay, so like she was attracted to all the masculine guys, not the masculine to the guys, right? And basically, so this masculine woman, so she's like a tough lady, and she was tough. Like when she demanded something, people do. It's very interesting. Like she was very, very tough, very, very loud. And the feminine men, so men that like for example, like I sometimes in somebody's house, and I would say like I see something wrong. I say, do they have hammer or something? Like, do they have pliers? Pliers? Hammer? I don't have pliers. Hammer? I don't have hammer. Like men, I don't know, normal men in my mind, like would have at least like screwdrivers. I don't know, there's something like to many, but these they're like women. If like you go to single ladies' house, I don't go, but let's say, or I would go with my wife. Let's say we visit somebody, and she said, you said, do you have some tools? She said, I don't have tools. I don't need tools. I'm a girl. I'm a princess. So same these guys. They are like little princesses. You know, so but they are attracted to somebody who is strong, like strong, who knows how to handle hammer and maybe like knives and stuff like that. So my wife, for example, God bless her, she afraid of knives, so she cannot look at the knives. So I have this utility knives, so I love them. Have many of them, like sharp razors. I like very, very practical. Right, but my wife, she said, I'm not going to do it. No, so she would have her like a dual knife or scissors. She like open a package. She said, "You have knife? Why you go to different room?" No, she said, "I'm not going to touch." So you understand? So so these guys would like feminine guys would look for somebody tough, like would tell them what to do to protect them. Right, the person who knows how to handle a screwdriver, and tell other people what to do. So, but like by mistaking, they would go to other men, which is absolutely wrong. but they can actually connect with a woman who is a masculine and who is in charge, right? So that would be a perfect match. And she's looking for somebody to be like under her, right? To be more feminine, and he would look for somebody for protection, and she would look for somebody to protect, to take care of. You understand? So that's a very simple solution. Hashem created all of the different types of people who's supposed to be together, not the same gender as the people do today. Did we answer the question, or tell me?
Thank you, Rabbi. Yeah, I was just thinking. So, on what Torah mentioned about this issue, can it be that, like, let's say both the woman or perhaps the men are partially feminine and not completely? Say, for example, the guy knows what pliers are, what a screwdriver is, or okay, but on the other hand, he likes, I don't know, grocery shopping. He's very good at babysitting. He's sort of emotional, but he's not like completely feminine. So is this like a possibility in order to find someone that complement this type of person?
Yes, yeah. I mean, there's no black and white. So some people have these strengths and these weaknesses. So, for example, I know a few people. I don't know how many, like more than few. They're very good with kids, but single. And one guy that I've been known for maybe 20 years, plus minus, maybe less than 20 years. So he's still single. I met him when I'm not sure how old is he now, maybe in his 60s. But all of these years, like he's a top guy for all of the kids in the shul comes to him, and they would sit, girls, the boys, like different ages, they next to him, like for an extended period of times. And he would tell them, I don't know what he tells them, and he would giggle, and they would giggle. It's unbelievable that kids have amazing time with this guy. You understand? And he always smiles, like right? And he never got married. And another guy, much younger, also in the show where I go. So he actually does a kids group, right? In Shabbos afternoon, all the kids different age come. I don't know what they do, but I mean he's very artistic. He plays the guitar. Now, of course, not on Shabbos. He did a Purim party, like and stuff like that. So I mean he's very artistic. So whatever he does, he runs this children group. Out of all of the people, the one who is a single person. Okay, so go figure. You understand? So these people are good with kids, and if they're so good with other people, kids, and they care. So needless to say, how good they would be with their own kids, I assume. You understand? But for some reason, they do not get married because I don't know because of what reasons. Understand? So not everything black and white. So we have to look and just pray to Hashem to send you the right match. And again, we must remember there is no like I don't know 100% match. So we have to always look like this thing is very important. I'm not going to back off on this, but this okay, I can live with that. And find all of these leniencies in yourself. Of course, if it's not against Torah, that you can live with, and then you can get married. But if people insist, they are so idealistic. We saw these clowns, right? 40 and 50 years old and 60 years old, they're still all looking for this ideal partner. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.